boy. Look at you flying the plane. Good boy.
So we have about 60 of our dogs in training that are coming through the airport today. They are getting the experience of going through TSA and getting the pat down and screen, and also separated from their partner during that process while they get screened. Then they're wandering the airport terminal, coming down here and actually boarding a plane that's been provided by Allegiant Airlines, and spending a little bit of time on the airplane, getting used to being under the seat and calm, and being a good air travel companion.
Stay there. Go stay. Good boy. Lincoln, Leo's more interested in what's on the ground.
To grab a seat.
Leo. For so long because of the training and everything, so I thought like
It's legal for our concert.
good job.
Well, there you go. You got it.
Because you look like someone in the know, like it's not all they do. And then I like feel like you pick out like
Look at that.
so when I get arrested later by TSA.
Everybody has
It's a great experience for them. I mean, it gives them exposure to things that we can't really provide in our normal training setting. And, you know, many of these dogs, when they get matched, may travel a lot with their partners. They need to be accustomed to going through security and getting on airplanes. So it's an amazing training opportunity for us that we're lucky to have the partnership with HIA and Allegiant to be able to do this, because it's not something we had been able to do in the past.